Hey, what's up you guys? So today is the first official day of vacation.
We out here.
I thought you didn't want to be in it.
They don't want to see your hair.
It's really pretty. We are walking on a short little hike. It's not really a hike. It's like a mile walk to a waterfall swimming hole thing, and we're gonna swim in it. Apparently the water's really cold I mean. Going a little fast there, buddy. Scary. I actually kind of wanted him to hit me.
I wanted to get them dirty. 5 more.
Why do you want to get those dirty?
Because then they look better.
Exactly.
It's the same reason people rip jeans.
Oh, and the people who have the holes in their shirts.
Except now that you can just buy ripped jeans.
Yeah.
But that's not the
For
same.
like $100. She's done for you anyways. No, mom's not.
I don't remember last year. No. 2 years ago.
Oh no. Mary Kate, use your gymnastic skills. Oh no, you were stuck.
Alright, now you have to do this one. Is it cold?
The water's probably cold, yeah.
I'm about to go. It's gonna be a one-time thing. Never doing this ever again. What are you doing? Running and going into the middle and going.
And you stand up in front of the waterfall then? Alright, I need my camera.
Danielle, just go on my camera, film upwards, and then I can crop it and put it into Snapchat. Danielle, what? Film upwards on camera like this, on my camera, so that not Snapchat, so I can cut it.
She's waiting.
Okay, that's fine.
My bones are frozen. Audrey.
Audrey, go. Oh. Who, Abby?
Sit down, Alex.
Right there. It's the black. Is it cold?
It must be cold.
Is it cold? Feel my mom. Yeah. I tried to get it, NK. You didn't get it? I tried to.
There are lots of people in the way.
Oh my god, I'm like, it's starting to burn. Well, then I'm not doing it.
How cold is it?
I think I lost all control of my sphincter muscle. Alex, you're
Come here. Oh.
where?
She don't like to get slashed back. She don't like it when you slash them back.
Who, Alex?
Yeah.
Did it mess up your pedicure?
Huh?
Did it mess up your pedicure?
First world problem.
Alex, go behind Bubba.
I don't even know if I'm getting it because I can't see.
How was it out there?
Freezing. I think I need a stitch.
You don't need a stitch.
I think you should need to sit.
MK, how's your foot?
Are you all done?
Let me see.
Alex, you want to get all warm?
Wait, I can't see it. Oh, there it is.
So we are walking down to the lake right now. There's a dinner place right there. That's where we go for pasta night, right? Or no?
Pretty sure we're going there for breakfast tomorrow.
Should we go there for breakfast? The lake is down there.
I know, we don't go there for pasta night.
First. Where do we go for pasta? Oh wait, no, pasta night is that place with the big green.
Yeah, the ball.
Yeah. We eat breakfast there. We also had that one good dinner there.
Pasta night.
But it wasn't pasta night.
It wasn't.
There's the lake. And we go down further. It's awkward. We go down further. I don't know why. We just don't go there. Okay, so this is our spot. This is the water. Is it? I think it's high tide. I know. I'm just dipping my feet in. Check. It's probably freaking cold. It's not as cold as whatever we went to. So we are gonna put on sunscreen because I'm not trying to burn. And then we're gonna have a little fun, turn on some music, tan, and yeah. Okay, so I'm sitting down by the water, water. And look at the pretty view.
Kind of pretty.
Like, that is so beautiful.
Oh wait, I'm gonna get back in.
So I'm gonna get back in and I'm gonna zoom in.
You're not gonna get back in with me?
I will. Pretty, pretty mountains.
My foot is shaking.
We is tanning.
I'm just enjoying the
See, yeah, the view is so pretty. I can't get over it. I think we're about to get another wake. I love when there's a wake and then the boats start going crazy. Like, I don't know, it's so calming. Like, just listen. It's so calming. The sun went back in, but we're getting a good tan in. Oh my god, I have dirt on my foot. This might be. Also, that's my cut. Just look at the water.
This makes me want to live in Australia.
Why?
The water?
Danielle, there's water in so many places.
I know, but it's like Australia. You know, you got the water, you got the accent.
You got the kangaroos.
I love how you said kangaroo and I said boys.
I'm just glad that they didn't mess up my pedicure. Because, guys, I don't ever show my feet on camera because I hate feet so much. But and I have like weird sausage toes. Like, okay, that looks like a macaroni noodle.
Okay, but mine look like that little like cheese.
Okay. These look like macaroni noodles, like especially when they go down like this. Okay. Does it not? And then this one, like, I don't even know. Pinky toe should be longer than this. Well, that's because I broke this one. This one's okay. I don't like how this one goes out that way. That one goes out, so that one's weird. And this one's bigger than that toe, which I don't really necessarily like, but. Oh, we're about to get awake, because. Wait for it. Wait for it. Are they coming? There it is.
I want to go on a jet ski.
Okay, guys, so we are back from the lake, and my boo-boo's still hurting a little bit, but it's okay. It was really hot, so we came back, and I'm probably just gonna watch Grey's Anatomy for the rest of the night. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all so much, my baby K's, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!